Are you struggling with type 2 diabetes and wondering what foods can help keep your blood sugar in check? Type 2 diabetes is a growing epidemic that affects millions of people worldwide. It's a serious condition that can lead to heart disease, kidney failure, and even blindness if left untreated. When it comes to managing type 2 diabetes, diet plays a crucial role. What you eat can either help or hinder your body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels. In this video, we'll explore the best foods to eat to control blood sugar levels and provide you with practical tips on how to incorporate them into your daily meals. Type 2 diabetes is a metabolic disorder that affects the way your body regulates blood sugar levels. When you eat, your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which is then absorbed into the bloodstream. Insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, helps to regulate blood sugar levels by facilitating the uptake of glucose by cells. But in people with type 2 diabetes, the body becomes resistant to insulin, making it harder for glucose to enter the cells. As a result, blood sugar levels remain high, leading to a range of complications. Insulin resistance is a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. It's a condition in which the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, making it harder for glucose to enter the cells. This leads to high blood sugar levels, which can damage organs and tissues over time. Let's explore some of the best foods to eat to control blood sugar levels. Whole grains are an excellent choice for people with type 2 diabetes. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are also rich in magnesium and chromium, two minerals that play a crucial role in insulin function. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in antioxidants and fiber, making them an excellent choice for people with type 2 diabetes. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. These fish are also low in mercury, a toxic substance that can worsen insulin resistance. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and tofu are excellent sources of protein, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, which helps to slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for people with type 2 diabetes. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, making them an excellent choice for people with type 2 diabetes. They're also low in sugar and calories, making them a guilt-free snack option. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and various antioxidants, making them an excellent choice for people with type 2 diabetes. Nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for people with type 2 diabetes. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats, which can help to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. It's also an excellent choice for cooking, as it's rich in antioxidants and has a high smoke point. One common misconception about diabetes-friendly foods is that they're boring or tasteless, but the truth is that there are many delicious and healthy options available. With a little creativity, you can create meals that are not only good for you, but also taste great. Another challenge people with type 2 diabetes face is cravings. We all have cravings from time to time, but for people with type 2 diabetes, giving in to those cravings can have serious consequences. The key is to find healthy alternatives that satisfy your cravings without putting your health at risk. Social situations can also be challenging for people with type 2 diabetes. Whether it's a party or a family gathering, it can be hard to resist temptation. But with a little planning, you can make healthy choices even in social situations. So, how can you incorporate these healthy foods into your daily meals? One easy way is to start your day with a healthy breakfast. Try oatmeal with berries and nuts or scrambled eggs with spinach and whole wheat toast. Another way is to prepare healthy meals in advance. Try cooking a batch of lentils or chickpeas on the weekend and using them throughout the week in salads or soups. You can also try meal prepping healthy snacks like carrot sticks with hummus or trail mix with nuts and seeds. The key is to find healthy alternatives that you enjoy and that fit your lifestyle. By making small changes to your diet, you can make a big impact on your health. In summary, type 2 diabetes is a serious condition that can be managed with the right diet and lifestyle changes. By incorporating healthy foods into your daily meals, you can regulate blood sugar levels and reduce your risk of complications. Remember, diet is just one aspect of managing type 2 diabetes. Be sure to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to develop a comprehensive plan that's right for you. If you're looking for more information on diabetes management, be sure to check out our other videos on healthy eating and diabetes myths. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.